This is Nicole from Antarctica. Look at that. I'm just joking, guys. This is Canada. Isn't it lovely? Outside looks so beautiful, isn't it? Oh my gosh. Wouldn't you love to be out there right now? Oh my god. Oh well. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you like what you're seeing, leave a comment and a like. I love Canada, guys, but I have no idea when I'm gonna get used to this weather. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to be making over my makeup vanity. I got this mirror here from Amazon, but my vanity is from IKEA. I've had it for a few years now, but my issue with it is that I have to open in order to get to have a mirror to use. I have to open this spot right here, and whenever I do that, I end up losing counter space. So I decided to get a mirror, and the mirror that I had on the vanity did not have any lights as well, and that was an issue for me too when I needed to apply my makeup. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm sorry I did not this video was an afterthought, guys. I'm sorry I did not show you the full process, but yeah, I was already in the process of making over my vanity. Then I figured I should be capturing this footage for you to see. But yeah, I also got one of those acrylic makeup storage unit to put. I was going to use it for my makeup, but then I decided to put my jewelry, to store my jewelry in there. I had already set up that part, put in my jewelry. I'm sorry I didn't capture this video was an afterthought, guys. So I was already in the process when I figured I should be recording this to show you guys. But yeah, so right now I only have this part left, just the top part to put in the rest of my stuff in, and that's what I'm gonna be doing right here for you. I will try to find some footage as to what my vanity was looking like before I decided to make it over. Wherever I can, I'll insert it right here for you. But yeah, and I might as well just show you that video there as well, since that was the only footage I could find. So just to give you a little entertainment, I'll show you that video as well. But yeah, this is me putting in the rest of the stuff or my makeup into the storage unit right here. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna keep it. The chair, I got one of these mats here for it, these fur mats. Yeah. Alright, so I'll show you what it's looking like in the end.
Activate dance mode countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My power they never take.
So this is what the vanity is looking like right now, guys. This is the end product. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.